Good morning, students. Students, today we will start with a new lesson in English. The name of the lesson is Rangoli. Now, we all know that Rangoli is one of the most beautiful and most pleasing art forms of India. We all like doing some of the other art forms. We like craft, we do drawing. So during festivals, we make Rangoli. The word Rangoli or Rangavali consists of two words, Rang meaning color and Avali meaning a row or vine. Now, when we make a rangoli, we make a row, right? We make columns and then we make small dots, we join them, and then we start making a rangoli. Rangoli is the art of making designs or patterns on the walls or the floor of the house. So now, if you go in the villages, you don't only get to see rangoli on the floor, but also on the walls using finely ground white powder and different colors. So during the festival of Diwali, we make this rangoli right on the floor in front of our house. So we use white color as well as different other colors. In many households, rangoli designs are drawn in the courtyard or in front of the doorstep every day. So in the villages, mostly people make this rangoli every day. The most interesting feature of Rangoli is that it is drawn afresh every day. Now, during Diwali also, we have some days of Diwali. So, we every day we draw a fresh Rangoli. Just as you cleanse and adorn yourself every day, you clean your house and decorate it with a Rangoli every day. Just as this way we have a bath, okay, we have a clean bath, wear clean clothes. The same way we make a rangoli every day. On special occasions, you wear special clothes and ornaments. Ornaments mean some type of gold chain. They are called as ornaments. In the same way, special magnificent designs are made on the occasion of feast and festivals. Now, when you make a rangoli, it's not of one type. There are so many different types of rangoli that we make nowadays. Let's see the design and patterns. The traditional form of Rangoli makes use of designs and motifs based on nature, such as mango, creepers, lotus, and other flowers, swans, peacocks, fish, and other animals, and so on. So, these are the different types of designs or patterns we make in a rangoli. So, some of you all make a peacock, we make a fish or a flower. So, these are all different types of designs we make in a rangoli. Rangoli designs also include geometrical patterns and shapes. So sometimes we make a triangle, square, a circle. Okay, so it also includes geographical patterns. Nowadays, other fancy designs and freehand drawings are also used to make beautiful rangolis. Nowadays, people don't use that form which we get. They can even make with a freehand. Okay, just make it like that, a flower or something like that. Let's move further. How it is made. Usually, rangoli lines are made using coarse grain powder such as sand, marble dust, sawdust, or rice grain powder, as it contains a good grip while making the straight or curving lines. So now before starting making a rangoli, we make the border first, right? This, as you can see on the screen, the white border. Okay, we make all these borders and after that we fill the colors. It is important to draw unbroken lines of even thickness to maintain the beauty of the design. The skill to do so comes with a lot of practice. Now, you just cannot go and make in one day. You should have that skill, you should have practice. When we have that skill and practice, we are able to do it quickly. The rangoli can then be left as a beautiful drawing or you can fill it with bright colored powder. So after finish drawing the outline with white, then we can fill the colors that we want to. It is customary to prepare a special background for Rangoli with geru or wet red ochre so that the white design stands out very well. Now, while making a Rangoli, first we put a red color down, as you can see over here, or a brown ochre, okay, so that the Rangoli looks bright. Also, usually a grid of roads and columns of dots is used to give a proper frame and shape to the design. Now, some people don't know to make the rangoli that good. So they make it with a dot or they make it with a form. They make a row, column, and then they keep joining the dots. Rangoli and Diwali. So now let's see. Rangoli occupies a special place in the festival of Deepavali or Diwali. Since the art form is an expression of warm hospitality, it is used by almost everyone to decorate the courtyard during the festival. Nowadays, we don't get to see people making rangoli every day, but during Diwali, those that number of days when they celebrate Diwali, they make it every day. Okay. It signifies that the people coming to the house are welcome inside. So why do they make this rangoli? So that the people coming inside the house are welcomed over there. Rangoli art. Now rangoli in different states. Okay, how do they make rangoli in different states? Rangoli art is known by different names in different parts of the country. So, in different states, this Rangoli is called with different names. It is known as Chokpurna in Uttar Pradesh, Mandhana in Rajasthan, Mugu in Andhra Pradesh, and as Rangoli in Gujarat, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. So, we've seen the names that they call Rangoli in different states. Each region has its specific characteristic design and pattern. So each state or each region has different patterns and designs. In the northern parts of India, it is customary to make rangoli designs with traditional wet colors. So in the northern part of India, they used to make rangoli with wet colors. Now we use powder. They make it with wet colors. In Bengal, Rangoli is known as Alpana, whereas in Bihar and Uttaranchal it is known as Aripana. So different names are given. Kolam is the name given to the art of Rangoli in southern parts of the country, mainly in the states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Kolam designs are made with the help of rice powder. So here we see with different names in different states, Rangoli is named. Now let's see Rangoli in the modern days. Means nowadays how do we make Rangoli? Rangoli art has been used for centuries to beautify many Indian households. Previously, it was used mainly by women. Today, both men and women learn and practice this art. Now previously we see only women making rangoli, but nowadays we see also men and women both making a rangoli, adding the innovative ideas. So in this you just don't have to make anything, you use your own mind, you use your innovative ideas while making it. To the traditional designs and motifs. At the time of public celebration, carpets of rangoli are spread over large areas and even long distances. Now, sometimes when we go for a function or a wedding, you see very big rangolis are also made in front of the entrance. Now, some rangolis are also made of flowers. Okay, so that's what they're saying. Carpets of rangoli are spread over large areas. Some people use leaves and flowers to make rangolis, which are beautiful as well as fragrant. Would you like to try your hand at this beautiful art form? So they are asking, would you ever try to make a rangoli? Okay, so here we end with this chapter. We will learn the next chapter in the next video. Thank you for listening, children. Goodbye. Take care.